So this is our project we've been working on this semester. The goal with this project has been to replace Christmas lights on a house using this box that you can set in your yard and a laser instead.
Hi, my name is Tyler, and my part of the project was coding the user interface. It's coded in Java, and here you can choose a point and edit that specific point, and you can even control the laser to set it where you want. So after you've set your points, you can go ahead and save the coordinates, and then run the laser, and it runs all the points onto the house.
I'm Case. My part of the project was largely inter-device communication, so communication between the computer and our system and between certain devices inside the system. For this, we're actually doing it through the local area network, so both our system and the computer are connected to Wi-Fi, and it very simply sends data to our system from Tyler's program.
Hi, I'm Colton, and as Case explained to us earlier, there are a few small devices working together within this project to make the whole thing run. And my responsibility was to program one of these devices, which you can see right here. It's called a Raspberry Pi. And basically what the Raspberry Pi is programmed to do is, on the user interface, it takes all of the points as X and Y coordinates, and it sends them in a file to this device, which stores them until this other device can tell the laser where to shoot them at.
Hey, my name is Garrett. What Colton just left off of was the Raspberry Pi. My responsibility was to work with the FPGA. It's the Field Programmable Gate Array. So just come over here and I'll show you a little bit what's going on. So this right here is our Nexus 4 DDR. It communicates with the Raspberry Pi through SPI protocol. It sends in data bits from the Raspberry Pi to control a 12-bit DAC. Now this 12-bit DAC, which is the digital to analog converter, it helps transfer that digital logic to the analog signal, like 2-3 volts. So right now it's going from 0 to 3.3 volts, and then it moves up into the amplifier, and then from that amplifier it goes into these control boards which control the galvanometer. So the galvanometers are kind of like servos, and they control mirrors that rapidly move back and forth really quickly.
So here's a closer look at our program that we created in Java. You can select one point and have control of the laser using that one point. Once you're satisfied with that one point where you want it on your house, you can go ahead and select another point and move it to where you desire it to be. So here I'll add a few points to the house, and just to show you how it works. So once I'm happy with the points, you come up to the top of the screen here and save the coordinates. Once they are saved, you can go ahead and hit start, and the laser will start printing all of the points that you put onto the screen.
So in conclusion, about 56% of injuries during the holiday season come from setting up holiday decorations. So what we wanted to end up doing is to solve this problem, and that problem was basically to set up this amazing laser projector that you can just set out in front of your house, plug it in, go inside your house, jump on the computer, and plug and play.